Cooling and heating temperature control system is a temperature control device that can achieve rapid temperature rise and fall. There are not only electric heating components, but also compression refrigeration components in the unit. The cooling and heating temperature control system has a wide range of temperature control, using heat transfer oil as the heat transfer medium. The high temperature of the unit can reach 350 degrees Celsius, and the low temperature can reach -120 degrees Celsius. No need to replace the heat transfer medium. It can be done without pressurization. Realize continuous temperature control. It is very common in chemical reaction and material testing industries and can meet the needs of different production processes. The refrigeration and heating temperature control system is composed of a heat transfer oil circulating pump, a heating pipe, a cooling heat exchanger, a refrigeration system, a temperature control system, a pipeline and a rack. The heat transfer oil flows between the heat medium pipeline of the unit and the heat exchanger of the temperature-controlled equipment, such as the runner of the mold, the hot runner in the roller, the jacket or coil of the reactor, etc. Circulating pump, heat conduction. The oil pipeline, heating device and cooling device constitute the basic circuit of the heat medium. Usually, the heat transfer oil is continuously pumped by the oil pump to become a fluid with a certain kinetic energy. The heat transfer oil flows through the heater and the cooling device, and reaches the temperature-controlled equipment. After heat exchange with the temperature-controlled equipment, it flows back to the temperature-controlled equipment. The unit enters the next cycle. The refrigeration accessories of the refrigeration and heating temperature control system use well-known brand compressors such as Emerson Copeland, Danfoss, Taikang, etc., with stable performance, which can meet the continuous work under high and low temperature, color touchscreen, PLC control system and PID model-free self-building algorithm, accurate temperature control, fast response, clear real-time parameters at a glance, more convenient operation, use of Schneider and other brand. Electrical components, with self-diagnosis function, refrigerator overload protection, high-pressure pressure switch, overload relay, thermal protection device and other safety functions. Any abnormal situation in the operation can be alarmed in time and displayed on the touch screen.